Here I have OnePlus Ace 3, and today I'm going to show you how to perform factory reset operation on this device. So to do this, firstly let's open settings, then you should go to additional settings, then we go to backup and reset. Select reset phone, then tap erase all data, then erase data, and then once again, and after that device will be restarted in about a minute or something. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.